Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to talk about Flux crypto. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for this particular cryptocurrency because you guys can tell from the chart in front of you, it's been a while. So you guys can see that I did a video for Flux crypto. If you guys haven't seen that video, it is still posted in the playlist for Flux crypto that I have on my channel. You guys can go ahead and check that out. You all can see that, yeah, the market pretty much didn't do what I expected it to do. It went down pretty much from out the gate from when I did the video on the 2nd of June 2022. Price went down. So I would say from this perspective that even though Flux did go up in price, that this idea did not go right. So yeah, I took the hit on this one, but you guys can see that the market took all the way until August the 10th before we was able to get that 27.75% out the market. Let me go ahead and cut that out the way because I definitely wanted to address what we have going on into the market in Flux, because you guys can see that the market did pump at least 40%. Check this out. I mean, from the low that came in on July the 13th all the way up to the high, you guys can see the market ran up 258%. Is that sustainable? Are we still in this bull run that the market in Flux went through over the last couple of months? Let's break this down real quick. So I wanted to show you how price in Flux has broken this trend line. If you guys were to draw from here to here, you guys can tell on what particular day the market in Flux broke, because let me go ahead and give you all my magnifying glass. I want to show you all this. This is where the trend was. Okay, you guys can see that the market in Flux came and confirmed the trend. But then right here on this particular day, September the 18th, price came down. And then you guys can see that the market tried to break back up above this ascending line on the 19th, the 20th, even on the 21st of September. And each of those days, the market got rejected. So that is why we are currently seeing the market price in Flux go down. It's just that simple. So we are currently in a downtrend into the market in Flux, but we may actually see the market in Flux come here to this trend line, which may be tested real soon. Okay, so this is our newest trend that we're going to anticipate the market running down to, at least in Flux. So we're nearing it right now. Okay, so let's see this on a different time frame. On the 2-day chart, you guys can see that, yeah, we're still seeing a little bit of weakness into the market in Flux, albeit it's not that bad. The market's not extremely weak on the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3-day chart. I still suspect that we do have a little bit of weakness coming into the market in Flux right here. You guys can see that the prior 3-day price bar market went up, came back down, all signifies weakness. You guys can see even here on the 5-day chart, we have 13 hours and 8 minutes left, and we're currently still seeing some weakness into the market. Okay, so what I'm looking at into the market in Flux is in fact some weakness. I'm still going to anticipate the price in Flux going down, especially look at this on the monthly chart. You guys can see for the month of August, price did have a pretty good move higher, but only just to come all the way back down, and we closed on the low end of the bar. That signifies weakness. You guys can even see here on the 3-month chart that we've seen a lot of selling come into the market in Flux right there on the 3-month chart. So let me hit this over on the hourly chart real quick to give you all an idea as to how the market currently is looking. So looking at this on the 9-hour chart, like I said, I don't see that much weakness really coming to the market in Flux. This is where the weakness is coming in at right here. So as we see market try to lift back up to 87 cents, 88 cents, if we get rejected again, we will come back down and try to test that ascending line that I got on the chart. Okay. So let me do this. I'm just going to play a little bit of weakness into the market in Flux now. So the first area that we are going to look for the market to come down and test, it's going to be around 75 cents. Okay, 75 cents, which would give us around 8.64% profitability for the market to come to that particular area. Okay. Now that's what we really want. We want to see the buyers come in and hold this trend line, because if that happens, we know the market's going to continue to go up. So that's going to be our first price target right there around that ascending line. Okay. Second area, if it doesn't hold, we are going to look for the market in Flux to come down here. To 70 cents. You guys can see that's around 14.25. And I'll leave it there for the time being. There's two price targets. We got 75 cents and 74 cents into the market in flux. We have to pay attention though to this trend line, okay? So we don't have long before the market's going to give us the confirmation as to whether or not the buyers are here and if they're not. So give me your thoughts real quick. Let me know what y'all think the market in flux is about to go. I appreciate your time. Appreciate the opportunity to give you all this price prediction, not giving your price target, and let me know what do you all think the market in flux is headed. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.